Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 on how to identify your notes. In the previous video we named the natural note. In case you didn't watch the video, the link will be in the description. Please do so to watch that because it's going to help you to understand the part 2 of naming the black keys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on this video. Now, what are the names of these black keys? These black keys you see here can either be called sharps or flats. Yes, remember we said the white keys are called natural keys, which are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, right? Yes. Now what is a sharp? A sharp is a rise of pitch of a note by 1/2 step. Or in other words, a sharp is a half step or semitone rise. Now, if you don't also know the meaning of a half step or semitone, I did a video on how to find the major scales of the keyboard. I also explained half steps and whole steps in that video, so please do make sure you watch that video too. The link will also be in the description. Now, let's find the sharps of the keyboard. Good. Let's start from C. Yes. So when C is raised by a half step or semitone, it becomes C sharp. And what is that C sharp? When you rise C by a half step is the next key, right? The next note. This becomes your C sharp. This is C. When raised by a half step, it becomes C sharp. So now we know that the black key after your C is called your C sharp. As easy as that. Good. So let's do for this other one. When D is raised by a half step or semitone, it becomes what? D sharp. So this is your D sharp. C, D sharp, D, D sharp. Let's do for this. This is F, right? Yes. When F is raised by a half step or semitone, it becomes your F sharp. As easy as that. When G is raised by a half step or semitone, it becomes G sharp. When A is raised by a half step or semitone, it becomes A sharp. Now we have gotten the names of these in sharps. This is C sharp, this is D sharp, this is F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. We have gotten the names. That is for sharps. When a note is raised by a half step, that is your sharp. Now let's move over to flat. These keys we just called sharps can also be called flats. And what is a flat? A flat is a semitone or half step 4. In other words, a key that comes left of a key on the keyboard. So for example, let's start with D. The key that comes left of D is what? This, right? And now this is C sharp in the sharp form, right? But when there is a fall in half step, this is D. When there's a fall in half step, this automatically becomes D flat. It becomes D flat. So now you can see now this key has two names, right? C sharp or D flat. So when somebody tells you play C sharp, and the person also tells you strike the note of D flat, it is also this. So you can see this key has two names. Let's do for this. This is our E, right? A fall in semitone or the key of the left of this key E is what? Your E flat. That's easy as that. So this is D flat and this is E flat. Let's go over to this. This is G, right? A fall in semitone or half step is going to make this G flat. So this key has two names, either F sharp, a rise in semitone, either F sharp, or G flat, a fall in semitone. So this now is going to be, this is our A, right? this is going to be A flat. Two names now, G sharp rising semitone or A flat falling semitone. Now this is what this is B, right? A falling semitone turns this into B flat. So this is either A sharp, a rise in semitone, or B flat, a fall in semitone. That is it. All these keys now do have two names. Either they are called sharps or they are called flats. So someone asks you find a flat, find it in flat form, you call it like this. Name the flat form is going to be D sharp, D flat. Someone tells you name the sharp form is going to be C sharp. And this applies to all the whole keys. This is your C sharp, this is your D sharp, this is your F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, or this is your D flat, this is your E flat, this is your G flat, this is your A flat, and this is your B flat. It's as easy as that. So now we have gotten the names of all the keys on the keyboard, both the white keys, the natural keys, and the black keys or flats or sharps. Now these flats or sharps, they have a symbol to represent them, because if this is C, you can also call this C. You can also represent this with C. It's either you see them write it in C sharp, that is C and then sharp, or they use this hashtag sign, as you can see now on your screen, C sharp. So if you see that, you know that that is C sharp. Then for flats, it's either it is written, for example, this is E flat, right? It's either it's written as E flat or E and then small letter B, something like that. That is the symbol to know E flat. Good. So I hope I made myself clear. So please, if you're a beginner, please take this video very seriously, because you can't play what you don't know. If you don't know how to name the keys on the keyboard, it's going to really be difficult for you. And as I tell some of my students, if you don't have a physical keyboard, yes, you can practice with your phone. There are so many apps on the phone, keyboard apps on the phone you can practice with. Use them, play with them, know the names of your notes. So anytime you see a video with the descriptions of the notes, the notations of the notes, you'll be able to play them at ease. But if you don't know the names of this, if you don't know that this is C, C sharp, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp, if you don't know the names of this, you won't be able to play. So thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, very important. Subscribe to this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. God bless you.